Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So, I've got some good news today. So, apparently, as soon as Wednesday, the HP service should be finished repairing my laptop. So, I could possibly get it back as soon as Thursday, because they claim to have 1 day delivery, and considering that the HP service is all the way in Texas, I highly doubt that, but I think it is possible that I might be able to start making videos on it as soon as Friday. So, I've done a lot of research on this, and this laptop is actually really good for file management and that sort of stuff, and it can play mobile games at really high quality. But when it comes to things like Fortnite or really high quality rendering games, it can run those with the lowest settings at about console with a pretty average 60 frames. The highest I've ever seen was around 90 to 100 on the lowest settings, which is pretty decent, so I'm not really complaining here, but if I do decide to start doing Fortnite streams, I have no idea how well the quality will be on that through the PC, but hopefully it's not too bad. I do plan to do some kind of Save the World streams eventually, though. So this is pretty much the exact model I have, including the color, which I believe this is a pearl case, so this is one of the more rare colors, I think. What I found interesting is that I think this model might be specific to the QVC brand or something, because I did have quite a bit of difficulty finding it elsewhere in item specifications other than the QVC website. So the good news, guys, is that hopefully I'll be able to record videos in better quality, especially the mobile ones, through an emulator, which I'm going to try to set up. So again, feel free to put down anything, questions or comments in the comments, and I'll try to respond to them within a timely manner. And if you guys look forward to it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.